Ooh, damn.
What up, people? What's good? Your boy Habib here again, back with another video. I'm actually on the phone right now with my dad, so that's why I couldn't talk. But yeah, we're about to go to the mall, and I'm going to trade in my iPhone XS Max for the iPhone 14 Pro. So let's get it. All right, so we just got to the mall right now. I gotta find a parking though. That's crazy. I just found one right there. I will go up front more. And I think Siri should stop talking at this point. But yeah. Alright, yo. Just got to the mall right now. I'm about to head in. I don't know. People are gonna look at me right now, but I really don't care at this point because it's what we're gonna do. We just got in. Alright, so it's kind of noisy out here. I wish I brought my mic as well, but I can't. I did not bring my mic, bro. Okay, so the mall, I guess it's upstairs. Look for the mall real quick and then I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, so I still can't find the Apple store right now because it's been like months since I came here, so I don't know. But I'm guessing it's right back this way. So it's probably right back this way. But people are looking at me like crazy, which is kind of funny, but it doesn't even matter anyways. We do our thing and we just do it for good. So. Bro, people are looking at me like crazy. I don't know why. Wait, what's so wrong about making YouTube videos? Finally, we found the Apple store. So it's right over there. Finally found the Apple store. Right over there. So, yeah. Finally found the destination. So it's about time to switch up the phone. Yo, what's up, bro? How you doing?
YouTube?
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, I recently started though, so you guys check it out. It's about tech stuff, computers, phones.
What's your channel?
It's called Beat Habib. See? That's it. Alright, bro. Thank you, bro. Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it, man.
I'm about to head to the Apple store for some updates. You guys check it out. You know what
Are you gonna upload it later?
Yeah, for sure. If you guys see your face, man, tell your friends as well.
Alright, bro.
See, no one cares, bro. They actually think it's cool. On the other hand, so, but yeah, we finally go to the Apple store. We're gonna do our thing. I think I should make my thumbnail right here if I'll switch it. Hopefully, this is gonna be clear. But hey, let's see. First of all, I think you can't film in the Apple store, so I'm gonna have to ask them first to see if it's cool for me to film in the Apple store. So let's create the thumbnail. Yo, bro, that is crazy. Excuse me, can I use the bathroom? Alright. What is this, man? Or anyone? Alright, cool. Thank you. Bro, that is crazy. Bro, this is my first time of doing this and it's just like super crazy, bro. Let me show you guys what's popping right now. We're in the Apple store about to upgrade for the iPhone 14 Pro and we currently have the iPhone X. This might actually be the thumbnail. Alright, so make sure you guys subscribe, like this video. So this is what we are gonna get right now, I believe. and you guys can just see how crazy the camera is. Like that is super crazy. I know my eyes red right now, but it doesn't matter. Let me check something about the phone. I just love how like simple the phone looks. No, I'm probably gonna get the black
just
one.
not doing it at all. Then she's got to go to
No, it's the gold one.
just trying to see.
Of my cup of tea.
So
This is the one right here. Oh, this is the
just the
purple.
phone and that's it.
Bro, the camera is humongous, bro.
Do you know what's
Damn. Okay, so let's
what's your
see
storage here?
settings.
What is it?
I think it's like 6
See
months.
settings and about code 14 Pro. Videos.
64. So 128.
Let's see, oh, storage. I'm gonna check the storage.
Yeah, and I do strongly recommend for 99 cents a month you can get up to 50 gigs of that.
That's 128 gigs, which is actually what I'm trying to get right now. So yeah, I don't like this purple one, but I might go with it. You know what I mean?
All your photos.
I don't know.
Contacts.
Let's see what's up with the camera.
Did you? Yeah. So these 4 colors.
Alright, bro. They said I gotta wait for about like 45 minutes.
Yeah, what's up, that name, family?
I'm waiting. She said I gotta wait for like 45 minutes.
What was that name, family? Yeah, we got you in here, family. Just wanted to make sure you were good. What were you looking for today?
I want to swap in my phone, trade in my phone and get the 14 Pro. And then depending on how much I get, I want to get the Apple Watch SE. I'm filming, is that okay?
It is not. It is not, unfortunately, bro. Like,
No,
this right here, yeah, but when you get with the actual interaction and everything, unfortunately not. Appreciate it, bro. How we doing today, guys?
So, am I good?
Yeah, you just wait, right? I would say on this side, because this is going to be like a high traffic area.
Alright,
I just say wait over here on this side.
Alright, thank you. God damn, they just said I really can't film like the conversation. So I don't know if they want me to cut that part off. It's cool. I don't know how long I've been here for, but maybe like 40 minutes more. So, it's cool. What time is it right now? It is 3:55. 3:52. 3:52. So let's say by 4:20 we should be ready. Alright, so they're here right now, but they told me I cannot film, so unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to show you guys what's going on because I cannot film this. So yeah. Alright, cool. So I just cut those, and I'm still backing up my old iPhone right now. It's gonna take 13 minutes, so I could get the watch. But yeah, I don't know if I should take this home for the unboxing, but whatever. It doesn't matter. Alrighty. Bro, it's so noisy inside, right? I couldn't even film that. I'm gonna have to like look for my car right now. Bro, I wish I got a jacket, bro. Oh my god. I wish I actually got a jacket. But yeah. I'm so tired, bro. Yo, finally got back, feel me? Bro, I'm so hungry right now, but yeah, we're still gonna do this. Like, I'm only gonna unbox the iPhone 14 Pro. But we actually got the Apple Watch as well, the Apple Watch SE. Oh, I think it's the 45. Yeah, the 44 millimeters. But I'm going to make a different video for this, the unboxing, and show you guys if you guys should get the Apple Watch SE instead of the Series 8 or the expensive things. Like, this is the cheapest of them. So stay tuned for another video when I unbox this. And the reason is because, like, the iPhone 14 Pro from now on is going to be my second camera. Like, I only have one camera right now, so I'm gonna use the iPhone 14 Pro as my second camera for content creation and stuff like that. So in fact, when I'm unboxing this, you guys are only gonna be seeing the phone, and I'm going to make it more in like a TikTok type video or Instagram Reels video or YouTube Shorts. So but yeah, as you guys could see, tell me what you guys think about the iPhone 14 Pro. Is it worth it? A lot of people have been talking about the the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I actually think the Samsung Galaxy S23 is a very, very good phone, like probably better than the iPhone 14 Pro. You know what I mean? But I still think, see, I'm an Apple fanboy, bro. Like, I got like, bro, I'll probably put my Apple products, like, I got a lot of them over here. Like, it's just like maybe like 10, bro. From MacBook to AirPods to the Apple Watch to the iPad. And you don't just expect me to just go for the Samsung just because of just one Samsung. And we got the iPhone 15 Pro coming out soon, which is actually great. So, like, God willing, I'm gonna have to like get that one as soon as it drops. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a day in a live video of the iPhone 14 Pro about 5 months after it's been dropped. I'm loving the phone so far, bro. Like, not without, like, I haven't even set it up yet and I'm already loving the phone already, bro. But one thing I do notice though is like, bro, this size right here are like fingerprints, bro. Damn. Well, I don't know what the hell this is. Oh my god. And the cameras are humongous. Like, the cameras are like super big. You guys could see that. See that? I don't want to drop this phone right now. Is it getting hot? I actually traded in my iPhone XS Max for this phone. So I got like $200 for that, which is actually great because the camera was a little bit broken. I guess they didn't see that, or they saw it. They don't care, but the phone passed all the tests and I maintained the phone pretty good. Like, I maintained it for like 3 years. Everything ran fine. Bro, the iPhone 14 Pro is ready to go, bro. I just gotta set up my cellular, which I'm probably gonna do tomorrow. Yeah, I can't receive phone calls right now because of the cellular, and I have to charge this phone. Yeah, damn. Now that we set the phone up, I want to tell you guys video ideas that I have coming up. Okay, so a day in the life with the iPhone 14 Pro. Tell me in the comment section down below if you guys want me to make a day in the life with the iPhone 14 Pro. I got spring break coming up soon for school, so I'm probably gonna have like a whole week to myself without like worrying about due dates and homeworks and all that boring stuff. So during that time, I'll probably do a day in the life with the iPhone 14 Pro. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see that. And another video that I would like to do as well is what's on my iPhone. So my iPhone is custom made right now, but I also got a custom theme that I think I could build up for my iPhone. And I actually waited till I got the iPhone 14 Pro before I could start doing that, which is like wallpaper, custom icons, and I have like a website where you could get all those things for free. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to make a video about what's on my iPhone, showing you guys custom themes and custom icons for your apps and all that good stuff. Wait, chill out. Let me check out the camera, boy. Oh my god, bro, this is so clean, bro. Probably gonna like show you guys what I'm seeing right now. Wait. Bro, yeah, I guess that's it for the video, guys. And as always, see you next time. Gotta talk to my girl. What's up, shorty? Astaghfirullah. What's up, shorty?